Xiaomi has officially announced its next-generation flagship models in China. The Xiaomi Mi 8 SE was launched alongside the Mi 8 and Mi 8 Explorer Edition. Basically, the Mi 8 SE is a mini version of the Mi 8, designed for users who are attracted to small-screen phones. The Mi 8 SE comes with a 5.88-inch AMOLED display, which is equivalent to the traditional 5.2 inches smartphones. That is because it utilized the 18.7:9 aspect ratio. The design is similar to that of the Mi 8, which includes a notch display design. The quality of the display is same as the Mi 8, but the screen resolution is 2244 by 1080 pixel, while the device has an 86.12% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports DCI-P3 color gamut. The Mi 8 SE also comes with a 2.5D curved glass body, with an enamel mirror finish. The device comes in 4 different color options: bright red, bright blue, gold, dark gray colors. In terms of configuration, the Xiaomi 8 SE debuts as the world's first phone, with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset. The 710 chipset is Qualcomm's first chipset outside the flagship series, built on the 10nm process. The Snapdragon 710 chipset includes 2 cores of Cryo 360 Cortex-A75, that clocks at 2.2 GHz, and 6 cores of Cryo 360 Cortex-A55, that offers a processing speed of 1.7 GHz. The octa-core processor is coupled with Adreno 616 graphics, that promises 35% better rendering of graphics. The processor is paired with 4 GB RAM, and there is also a 6 GB RAM. Both RAM versions come with 64 GB storage, which can be expanded. On the camera aspect, the Mi 8 SE sports a 12MP plus 5MP dual camera setup at the rear. The rear camera comes with a 1.4 micron pixel size on the main sensor, as well as dual core, as well as portrait mode support. The front camera is a 20MP, with self-timer which is still active even in low light condition. It can also capture bokeh shots using AI. In addition, there is AI scenes recognition. The Mi 8 SE also comes with Bluetooth 5.0. While there is a 3120 mAh battery keeps the light on. The handset is pre-installed with Android 8.1 Arena, that is skinned with the latest MIUI 10. As for the price, Xiaomi Mi 8 SE is priced at 1,799 yuan, $280, for the 4GB plus 64GB version, while the 6GB plus 64GB version come at just 1,999 yuan, $312. So what do you think about Xiaomi Mi 8 SE? Share your comment down below.